Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'll be showing you how to install Lua and download it on your Windows 10. So first, you're just gonna go into this page, which can be found on the Lua's main page, but this page will be on the description down below, and we want to click on the latest release, whichever release you like the most. And you just want to click on this button here to install the latest version, but I already have that installed right here. Then we want to go to our C drive and onto our program files and make a new folder here. We'll name it Lua. We want to enter the file and extract all these into the folder. Well, a good tip here is renaming the lua53.exe onto just Lua. This will be more essential later. Then after this is done, you want to go to your PC's environmental variables, which can be found on this PC. Right click properties, or you just can search it on the Windows bar. Go to advanced settings, environmental variables, and go into on the system variables here, go into path, double click and click new. And then you want to go back to the folder here where the Lua is installed. Go on top of here, click on this, copy this and paste it over here. Click new, paste it, click OK, OK, and OK. Then on whichever folder you just want to make a new Lua file, and whatever you want to name it, like for example a.lua. Make sure to end it with Lua, and then you can open this with the file editor and then write your code. Oops. Open your command prompt, press Lua, and there it is. See, we renamed the Lua exe. It was Lua 53. So if it was Lua 53 still, we would have to run this command to use Lua. But since we renamed it Lua, then we can just use this.